Hey guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 4K Rearview dash cam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is 70 mm D800. Specifications: brand name 70 mm, aperture f1.7 plus 4G3p, screen ratio 16:9, view angle front 146 degrees, rear RC41 146 degrees / RC24 130 degrees, interior 147 degrees. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Max external memory 512 GB. Number of lenses 3. Imaging sensor Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels 800 mega. Display size 3 inches to 5 inches. GPS logger internal. Chipset manufacturer NT98530. Frames per second 30. Display IPS. Interface Wi-Fi, micro SD/DF. Resolution front 4K, interior 1080p, rear 4K, 1080p. Wi-Fi 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Warranty 1 year. Weight 0.99 kilograms. Number 4 on our list is Vantru N5. Specifications: brand name Vantru. Camera resolution 1920 by 1080. Max external memory 512 GB. Number of lenses 4. Display size 3 inches to 5 inches. GPS logger internal. Chipset manufacturer HiSilicon. Display IPS. Warranty 12. Number 3 on our list is Wolfbox G900. Specifications: brand name Wolfbox. Aperture f1.5. Screen ratio 16:9. View angle 170. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Max external memory 512 GB. Number of lenses 3. Pixels 1200 mega. Display size 12 inches. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer HiSilicon. Display IPS. Warranty 1 year. Weight 1.3 kilograms. Number 2 on our list is ASDOM PG17 Pro. Specifications: brand name ASDOM. Aperture 1.8. Screen ratio 16:9. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Max external memory 256 GB. Number of lenses 2. Imaging sensor Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels 800 mega. Display size 12 inch. Chipset manufacturer HiSilicon. Display IPS. Warranty 1 year. Weight 1130 grams. Number 1 on our list is Dash Cam Z60. Specifications: brand name Pi. Aperture f1.8. Screen ratio 4:3. Camera resolution 3840 by 2160. Max external memory 512 GB. Number of lenses 3. Pixels 800 mega. Chipset manufacturer RK. Frames per second 25. Warranty 1 year. Weight 705 grams.